For this tutorial, I will be using Super Mario World 2, Super Mario Advance 2. As you may know, you are able to play Game Boy Advance games on the Nintendo DS using this thing down here. Let's test that out now. Whoa, that's epic! But there are no places to put a GBA game on the 3DS, so let's fix that today. In order to do so, is some sort of tin foil, like this shape, so that it can fit into the GBA cartridge. And on the other side, fit into the 3DS game slot. Time to get set up. First, move this out of the way. Now, first you'll want to grab your GBA game, which I'm using Super Mario World, Super Mario Advance 2, and put this into there so that it touches up with every pin in there. And then grab your 3DS and put this into the game card slot so that it looks like this when done. So now, as you can see, it's in the back of it, and it's time to try it out. First, turn on your 3DS, and if you did it correctly, in the game card slot, there will be your GBA game. And voila! Now you can play your GBA game on your 3DS. It will take a while to start upload, since it's not really made to do this. And there we go. Now you can play GBA games on your Nintendo 3DS. And saves work and everything. Oops.